guys, welcome to Andre and Andrew show. Today we are studying my custom trains. Okay, so we got Thomas the Tank because Thomas the Tank Engine, and then second we got Thomas' brother that name's Jeff Gervitz. And they both look kind of similar, but kind of not the same because there's a blaster. And then next off we got Diesel the Meter. So, there's a face and the back and the whistle and the whatever that thing is for loading. And next we got Steve, and his capacity was built, and I put the funnel on the back, and he looks kind of the same. Then in the movie, and looks kind of the same. Okay. Then second we got Thomas himself. Okay. So this version of Thomas was so good, and have face of a back, and then it looks kind of cool than the other one I made, like the claws. And then let's move on to the last one. It's called Thomas the Bulldozer. Okay, and I see because he have a very good bulldozer thing and 4 wheels, and even his funnel have is a turbo booster a little bit, and his face looks kind of fine, and the wheels are kind of yellow, and so. Thank you guys for watching Andre and Andrew show. Goodbye. Peace.